Today's date, January the 27th, 2017. I'm in the process of programming the Johnson Controls system to get these boilers and zone valves operational, maintaining a temperature set point of about 75 degrees. This building has been receiving overheating conditions, meaning in the mornings it's almost up to 98 degrees in the classroom, which is really over not only the set point of 75 degrees, but very overwhelming to work in that type of environment. We basically want to maintain an environment during the winter time, a temperature range between 68 and 77 degrees. So my experience here, setting these set points to 75 pretty much balances the ambient temperature where most people, staff, students, and the public are pretty comfortable. So at this time, I am in the commissioning mode, testing the system I just previously programmed. The program looks like this. We have an outdoor air temperature sensor, a sensor in room 310, a sensor in the gym, and a sensor in room 303. The outdoor air temperature is connected to a comparator, where the comparator looks at an outdoor air temperature set point. And that set point has a temperature differential of 2, meaning we're going to go to the analog constant output, which is going to show the outdoor air temperature set point. So this 50 degrees, the comparator looks at as a set point, meaning if the outside air temperature goes to 50 degrees, then the comparator output, which is an LS1, is going to tell the logic here. It's going to tell a logic if system is enabled and the outdoor air temperature is below 50 degrees, we want this, and we have a zone temperature set point below, we're going to have a boiler enabled. I'll say it again. The logic states, if the system is enabled, meaning system is on, and the outdoor air temperature is below 50 degrees, and the zone set point temperature is below its set point, meaning if my set point is at 75 and I have a room temperature now of 72, that's going to turn this logic on. This boiler is going to become enabled. Or if the outdoor air temperature drops below, let's say 0 degrees, it's going to force this boiler on. we also have a local schedule that's going to allow it to be in occupied or unoccupied mode. So, room 310 is connected to Zone 1 set point and Zone 1 PID loop. From the PID loop, it goes to the maximum temp, to the minimum temp, and to the comparator. From the comparator, it goes to the valve. Same sequence with the gym, same sequence with 303. These are my status and my alarm inputs. And we have my boiler 1 output, boiler 2 output, valve 1 output, valve 2 output, and valve 3 output. It's a simple logic, nothing complicated here. It was just a matter of writing the program and commissioning it, and of course calibrating all of the temperatures so that they correspond to its true and accurate reading, whereas when the system is enabled, it energizes and de-energizes based on the temperatures. Again, this is a Johnson Controls DX9100. It has been programmed this date to maintain operations at this particular school in Newark, New Jersey. My name is James Owens. I'm the programmer and